நேற்று முன்னிரவில் உன்னித்திலவு மடியில் காற்று நுழைவதனோ உயிர் கலந்து கழித்திருந்தேன் இன்று வெண்ணிலாவில் அந்த ஈர நினைவில்
Hi guys, happy Pongal, happy Makar Sankranti, whatever it is that you're celebrating today. I hope the new year brings you a lot of joy, happiness and prosperity. And to kick off 2023 on a festive note, I wanted to create this beautiful festive Indian Pongal look. So if you want to know how I got ready for Pongal this year, please keep watching. Alright, starting off with our beautiful bare face, I'm going to start off with cleanser. This is the Dermaweave Hydrating Cleanser. This is a very, very lightweight formula which removes all impurities out of my skin. So I always like beginning with skincare before I get into makeup. I am going to quickly pat my skin dry, and after this I'm going to quickly spritz some toner on my face and then going in with this beautiful Nutriderm moisturizer. This is very, very hydrating and moisturizing. It works amazingly well under makeup and it's great for almost all skin types, and for me, I have acne prone skin, so this works wonderfully, preps and primes my face for makeup beautifully. And since it is winter time, I'm going to be using the Dermaweave moisturizing lotion all over my hands and feet. This is a super soft, non-greasy, gentle formula suitable for all skin types, and it keeps my hands and feet smooth and supple. Now, time for makeup. Starting off with this Aqualogica Glow Drops, I feel like this has been my go-to product ever since I got it. It gives the face this luminous glow. You can tell, and I'm in love. And to amp this luminosity even more, I'm going to use a little bit of the strobe cream. I believe this one is by PAC. Just on the high points of my cheeks to really make my face glow to the gods. Now that our glow is on, I'm going to go with foundation. I'm mixing two foundations here actually, just for better color match. And I'm applying a very thin layer of this on my face because I don't want anything too cakey or, made up. That's not the look that I want to go in for today. And I'm going to blend it all in with this beauty blender in the end as well. After I'm done with that, I spritz my face with this PAC spray just to kind of give my base that longevity. And I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Conceal in this peachy color for my under eye dark circles. Because it's a festive look, I really want my under eyes to be nice and bright and beautiful. And I also have pigmentation around my mouth, which is what I'm trying to kind of neutralize with the orange color corrector. Once I'm done with that, I'm going in with this PAC HD concealer. I have been in love with this concealer ever since I got it, I believe last month. It is such a beautiful concealer. I know people have like very varied opinions on this, but for me, I love the coverage that it gives, and it is absolutely amazing. Then to brighten my face, I'm going to take this e.l.f. concealer and just put it like, you can see where I placed it, and blend it all in just to kind of give my eyes a little bit more of brightness. Then I'm going to use this yellow concealer because I feel like that is what really adds that final step of brightness to the under eyes, and I'm amazed. Like, you can tell that how I'm in love. I believe this is by Mars, and it is shockingly the most affordable product in this whole tutorial and works amazingly. Then I'm going to cream contour my face. I'm using this foundation stick from Makeup Revolution and going in where I want shadows to be created on my face. I like doing this before I kind of use my blush because I feel like then my blush shows a lot better. So this is what I'm doing. I blend all of this in. Then taking this Blue Heaven cheek pop blush. It is, oh my god, so beautiful. I also mixed in a little bit of a highlight with this cream highlight, so it gives this really like beautiful glossy cheeky glow. This is what we are going in for today, and the color is also absolutely stunning. Then I'm taking this K-Beauty loose translucent powder and setting my under eyes with this. This has been my absolute favorite because it really makes my under eyes blurred. Then setting my whole face with the Lakme 925 compact just to give my whole face an even look. Time for brows, and woohoo! Ta-da! From the magic of editing, our brows are done. Time to do the eyes. I'm taking my OG Jaclyn X Morphe palette. I don't even know how old this palette is at this point because it has been something that has been in my makeup vanity, and I cannot put it down, especially when I'm doing festive looks. So I'm taking color first for a wash of brown on my lids, and then going in deeper with another dark chocolatey brown. I like doing this in two-step because I feel it just blends the whole crease work better. So I like doing it in these two processes with two colors. Then I'm taking this champagne copper color in the palette, and I'm going to place it all over my lids. Oh my god, every time I place it, I'm amazed at how amazing the pigments in this eyeshadow are. And I'm going to blend it quickly with a flat blending brush. I feel like that is what gives the best look. Then I am also going to do eyeliner, but we are first going to do a little bit of an eyeliner because I want to quickly smudge it out because I want a very diffused look. That's the look that I wanted to go in for. So I took the liner and quickly diffused it with a fluffy brush. I feel like this gives a more natural, soft, flirtatious kind of a vibe. And then with the help of editing again, toohoo, we have eyeliner on. And we also need to do our mascara. So I'm going to quickly curl my lashes and also wear some mascara. This is a Maybelline mascara that I am absolutely loving. We are going to add lashes, but I just want to prep my lashes with some mascara. Quickly going in with a little tiny bit of bronzer, nothing too intense, but just to kind of bring the whole look together. I am using a very, very light amount of bronzer on my face. Then time for blush. This is such a beautiful, stunning color. This actually reminds me of the viral Dior blush that everyone is in love with, but I feel this is better suited for tan Indian skin tones. Of course, it's time to highlight, and I'm taking this Hyper Real Glow by MAC Cosmetics. I have been loving how this looks on my tan Indian skin tone. It really brings the golden yellow tones in my skin. It makes it pop. Love it. Time to do lips, and I believe this is a very old lip liner I had from Miniso that I got from Dubai. So I really love the undertone of this brown nude lip. So that's why I'm using it. And then this Mama Earth lipstick. These Mama Earth lipsticks are actually pretty bomb. And I'm going to use this Essence gloss. Surprisingly, I have been very into gloss these days. So yeah, I am going to do that as my finishing touch and wear lashes, and woohoo! This is the final look. I am so happy with how this turned out. It is literally the kind of look that I wanted to wear for Pongal. It is not too out there, but still makes me look absolutely festive ready and happy and excited for the festivities. I wore this old saree. Actually, this is my grandmom's saree, and I feel like whenever we have festivals in the house, I wear her saree just to kind of have her around us as well, because we truly do miss her. So yeah, that is why I decided to wear this saree. Love the saree, color, everything. And let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this video. So yeah, I think this is it for today. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.